Now, the right to abortion in America is on the line. A day after a draft opinion surfaced online, the U.S. Supreme Court has confirmed the legitimacy of the document. The leaked majority opinion suggested that the top U.S. court is poised to strike down the right to abortion in the United States. The opinion indicated that the U.S. Supreme Court could overturn the landmark Roe v. Wade judgment from 1973 that protects abortion rights in the United States. The U.S. Supreme Court has released a statement confirming the authenticity of leaked draft of a majority opinion. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote in the statement, and I quote, "Although the document described in reports is authentic, it does not represent a decision by the court or the final position of any member on the issues in the case. An investigation into the source of the leak has also been ordered. In recent months, abortion rights have been increasingly under threat in the United States. Republican-led states have moved to tighten restrictions. Some have even sought to ban all abortions after 6 weeks. That is, before many women even know that they are pregnant. Right-wing politicians have launched an assault on abortion, but Democrats are fighting back to protect access to the procedure. U.S. President Joe Biden responded by saying that the abortion ruling would threaten a whole range of rights. The ruling will pile more pressure on Biden, who is already grappling with the U.S. response to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Biden said his administration would respond once the Supreme Court formally rules, but he stopped short of calling for more radical changes. The changes could include a push to have the Senate change its rules to allow a simple majority to pass a law guaranteeing access to abortions. Biden has pressed voters to send more candidates to Congress who support women's rights to choose to get abortions.
If the rationale of the decision as released were to be sustained, a whole range of rights are in question, a whole range of rights. And the idea we're letting the states make those decisions, localities make those decisions, would be a fundamental shift in what we've done. So it goes far beyond, in my view, if it becomes a law and if what is written is what remains. It goes far beyond the concern of whether or not there is the right to choose. It goes to other basic rights, the right to marry.
A Senate majority leader has decried leaked Supreme Court draft. He said that the Senate will vote on abortion legislation to codify the right to an abortion in law.
It is hard not to feel angry, troubled, and deeply disturbed about what overturning Roe would do to women across America. It is our intention for the Senate to hold a vote on legislation to codify the right to an abortion in law. Second, a vote on this legislation is no longer an abstract exercise. This is as urgent and as real as it gets. We will vote to protect a woman's right to choose, and every American is going to see which side every senator stands on.
Now, hours after the leak, protesters on both sides of the abortion debate faced off with chants, prayers and signs outside the Supreme Court. Demonstrators grew from dozens of people to hundreds, voicing a mix of support for and opposition to ending a constitutional right to abortion.
Power! Power! We won't go back! We will fight back! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! Life is a lie! We don't care if people die! Pro-life is a lie!
U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren joined hundreds of protesters outside the Supreme Court and blasted the Supreme Court as extremist.
My name is Elizabeth Warren, and I'm madder than hell. I'm madder than hell because an extremist United States Supreme Court, 5 people, think that they can dictate to tens of millions of women across this country the decisions that are our decisions about our lives. They think that